Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily make Skibidi Toilet in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take water and put in the field, and then take fire and put in the water. When you do that, you will get steam. Then, take water and put in the steam. When you do that, you will get cloud. Now, take cloud and put in the cloud that is in the field. When you do that, you will get rain. After that, further, take rain and put in the rain. When you do this, voila, you will get rainbow. Now, go to other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take water and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get plant. Now, put wind in the plant. When you do this, you will get dandelion. Now, the next step is to take water and put in the dandelion. When you do this, you will get wine. Then, again take water and put in the wine. When you do this, you will get holy water. Now, remove holy water and take wine and put in the field. Now, take holy water and put in the wine. When you do this, voila, you will get Catholic Church. Now, combine these elements. Take Catholic Church and put in the rainbow. When you do this, you will get gay. Now, we will go to other side. Take dandelion and put in the field. Then take plant and put in the dandelion. When you do this, you will get weed. Now, take wine and put in the weed. When you do that, you will get hangover. Then, take water and put in the hangover. When you do that, voila, you will get cure. Now, again combine these elements. Take cure and put in the gay. When you do this, you will get straight. Then, take gay and put in the straight. When you do that, voila, you will get bi. Now, take bi and put in the bi. When you do this, voila, you will get B. After that, go to other side. Take water and put in the field. Then put water in the water. When you put water in the water, voila, you will get lake. Now, again take water and put in the lake. When you do that, you will get ocean. Now, again go to other side. Take earth in the field and put earth in the earth. When you do that, you will get mountain. Now, combine these elements. Take mountain and put in the ocean. When you do this, you will get island. Now, it's time to go to other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take fire and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get lave. Now, take fire and put in the lava. When you do this, you will get volcano. Now, combine these elements. Take volcano and put in the island. When you do that, you will get Hawaii. Now, we will go to the other side. For this, we will take island and put in the field. Then, take island and put in the island. When you do that, you will get continent. Now, take lake and put in the continent. When you do that, you will get America. Now, combine these elements. Take America and put in the Hawaii. When you do that, you will get Obama. Now, when you take America and put in the Obama, voila, you will get change. Now, go to other side. Put ocean in the field, and then put ocean in the ocean. When you do this, you will get sea. Now, go to other side. Take America and put in the field. Then take continent and put in the America. When you do that, you will get North America. Now, put water in it and you will get Canada. Now, combine these elements. Take Canada and put in the C. When you do this, you will get C then. Take C and put in the change. And it will give you a D now. Take D and put in the B. When you do this, you will get bid. Now, take B and put in the bid. When you do that, you will get bidaby. Now, go to other side. Take mountain and put in the field. Then, take wind and put in the mountain. When you do that, voila, you will get avalanche. Then, take avalanche and put in the avalanche. When you do that, you will get snow. Now, go to other side. Take lake and put in the field. Then take mountain and put in the lake. When you do that, you will get fjord. After that, combine these elements. Take fjord and put in the snow. When you do that, you will get iceberg. Now, remove iceberg. Then, take mountain and put in the field. Then, take fjord and put in the mountain. When you do that, you will get Norway. Then take snow and put in the Norway. When you do that, you will get ski. Now, combine these elements. Take ski and put in the bidaby. When you do that, voila, you will get skibidi. Now, go to other side. Take plant and put in the field. Then put plant in the plant. When you do that, you will get tree. Then, take water and put in the tree. When you do that, you will get river. Then, take earth and put in the river. When you do that, you will get delta. Now, go to other side. Take river and put in the field. Then, take tree and put in the river. When you do that, you will get paper. Then, take paper and put in the paper. When you do that, voila, you will get book. Now, combine these elements. Take book and put in the delta. When you do that, you will get alphabet. Then, take alphabet and put in the alphabet. When you do this, guess what? You will get word. Now, take mountain and put in the book. When you do this, you will get mouth. Then, go to other side. Take fjord and put in the field. Then, take water and put in the fjord. When you do this, you will get whale. Then again go to other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take wind and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get dust. Now, combine these elements. Take dust and put in the whale. When you do this, voila, you will get sperm. Don't stop here. Our destination is near. Now, go to the other side. Take America and put in the field. And then take water and put in the America. When you do that, you will get freedom. Now, take water and put in the freedom. When you do that, you will get slavery. Then, take America and put in the slavery. When you do that, voila, you have just created civil war. Now, again take America and put in the civil war. When you do this, you will get Lin coin. Then, again take America and put in the Lin coin. When you do this, voila, you have just got penny. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take penny and put in the sperm. When you do that, you will get penis. And then, take penis and put in the mouth. When you do this, guess what? You will get talking penis. Now, it's time to go to the other side. Take lava and put in the field. Then take water and put in the lava. When you do that, you will get stone. The next step is to take lava and put in the stone. When you do this thing, you will get obsidian. After this, take stone and put in the obsidian. When you do that, voila! You will get blade. Now, find stone in the list. When you find it, take it and put in the blade. When you do this, you will get axe. Then, again and again, take stone and put in the axe. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted head. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take head that you have just crafted and put in the talking penis. When you do this step, you will get talking head. Don't stop here and go to other side. Now, find or search wheat in the list. When you found it, take it and put in the field. Then, similarly, find or search dust in the list. And when you find it, take and put in the weed that you putted a while back. When you do this, you will get clean. Now, again go to other side. Take plant and put in the field. And after that, take water and put in the plant. When you do this, you will get swamp. And then, take plant and put in the swamp. When you do this, you will get Venus fly trap. Now, it's time to combine these 4 elements. Take Venus fly trap and put in the clean. When you do that, you will get toilet. And after that, take toilet and put in the talking head. When you do this, guess what? You will get talking toilet. Now, it's time to do the final step. Take talking toilet and put in the skibidi. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted Skibidi Toilet. And there you have it. Congratulations! You have successfully made Skibidi Toilet in an infinite craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.